Hi, everyone. I know many of you have discovered that signing in and getting set up on our online textbook for collections does not seem to be working the way it always has in the past. So I thought I'd make a quick tutorial video for you in hopes that it might help you. Um, First of all, instead of going to my.hrw.com, we have to now log in through a different path. So if you'll go to technology.olatheschools.com and you're going to scroll down to the e-textbooks, and then we are Holt McDougall, so go ahead and click on that as well. This will bring you to what they call the SSO, or the single sign-on. Our students are going to be using the same thing, and so then you need to type in your entire email address, and I am using a teacher's who hasn't set things up yet, thankfully. Email. Let's see if I can get this right on the first try. You sign in. Now, because I have practiced this, you are actually probably going to be taken to a different screen, and I will show you what that screen looks like. You're not going to see that first. You probably have been taken to this screen right here. So you just simply click Language Arts and hit Search, and it gives us all the grades that we have, and so you're going to unselect and choose your grade. So this teacher is a 6th grade teacher, so she is using that. And then our classes have been auto-enrolled by their enrollment. So if we just select all classes, or she's got some disciplinary literacy classes in here, I could take out whatever hours you want your students to be enrolled. That you want your students to have access to the online textbook. Go ahead and select those and hit activate. Okay, and then go ahead and close that. And we should, if I go to manage class roster, see, they're all here. I can pick a class, and so that then should automatically activate the textbook for those students on theirs. I'm going to go ahead and go to home now. And then of course you're on your dashboard and you have your drop down to select your text, but it automatically puts it there. And then it should be ready to go. So I hope that this is helpful for you, and I will be working on the student version in just a little bit. Thanks, guys.